Philip and Lando's cleaning here in the pen.
Yeah, cleaning pig pens again. Yeah, as you can see. And we're just getting all done.
Yeah, everything's done, clean now. The full room.
Yeah, till next week.
Good, thank you. Nice and clean now. I think she's horny. Yeah, she's horny, Daile.
What?
She's horny. Needs to be jumped.
Well, these two are the only two that aren't pregnant.
No, that's already pregnant.
The what?
The first one.
She's done?
They say that the first day that you put the boar, he jumped. Did he jump? Huh?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, according to Marites and Lando.
Oh my God, I gotta look at my book.
So every day Philip working hard in the farm. Excuse me. Hi, Ma. Chicken with chicken. Chicken. Chicken? Agoy. You're horny. She wants to be jumped, guys. So once you touch the back, then she won't move. Yeah. Wants to be jumped. No. She's ready. So I'll just wait for a little while. The boar will finish eating there. So that's the time I'm going to put him inside. So this is the last one that never been impregnated. So 4 of my mama pig are pregnant now. You want to be jumped now? Let me see. So after this is super clean now. After the whole dirt spread down here. Diri katag dong?
Diri man ko. Yeah, completely new compost pile. This whole pile and half of that one went into our rice field rows. And he'll finish the rest of this off today with number 4, and number 5.
This one? This row?
Yep. That's good.
Somebody's coming. Lando wants to borrow the bike. He will go to town. Get some receipt, medication receipt to her wife, because he left that one on the other day. Then they forgot the guidance how to take the medication. So even if he's working, he needs to go back there to town and get the receipt. And Philip to start the bike, so to run properly. Hey Nook. Good morning, Nook. Hey Whiskey. Whiskey.
Oh, yeah. Well, we got done with the big job. That's good. Cleaning the pig pens is, look at me. I don't know why I'm all bit up. That's always when I handle the compost. I imagine there's stuff in there that bites me. Oh, well.
We don't know.
Yeah.
Because you're not wearing a jacket.
Well, I need a cup of coffee. Water.
Hello everyone. Another day, another bloom of Vanda. So I thought before I don't have Vanda, I forgot it. I have Vanda before, the same color. So I planted it here because there is a grass. And so their roots can crawl down on the ground. Their roots are so long. See the roots? Vanda roots. Nice. They're like trees. The root tree are like this too. Very long. Like coconut. So I figured it out before that I don't have Vanda flower yet, but I already have like this color. I forgot the color before. I think I have one variety here. Vanda. I don't know. The orchids on my hands is not really productive. Looks like they are very slow to grow. Let's walk to my garden flower. I still have a lot of mess on the ground. Need to sweep later on. So it's still growing. The flower. I bet she like here because I put a coconut husk, then some of a piece of cloth. net. So every time I water him, it is still cold. So that is why this is the only one here are very healthy. I don't know why. Let's check my seedlings here. There you go. Very nice. These are the Chinese cabbage. Looks like pichay. Here we go. Very nice. Ay, asa mo isa ani? Ito. Planted this morning, early morning. Nipis yan. There. Then I started a few lettuce here. I pull this one from the old bottle where they grow. Then I replanted it here. There is water. And I stasing my zinnia. These are now my zinnia. So many. So I have taro, gabi. I planted yesterday. That's it, guys. I work slowly here again. I'll just take my time. And some of pepper too. I saved from the drought. This was planted on the small pots. Yesterday I replanted here. Put in the big pots. So I have a dill. This is dill, guys. So that's it.